विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
ॐ सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्करप्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा पूजिता।
Usmania University is the seventh largest university in the country, third largest in South India. And the university was established in the year 1918, and along with that, our Usmania University Library is also established. Our library functions from morning 8 to till night 12 o'clock for the benefit of students community. And we have got several sections in our library. We have got ordering section, technical section, stock section, lending section, reference section, periodical section, internet section, United Nations depository sections, EC sections, competitive exams reference library, and we have got manuscript section, we have got Vision of Usmania, and we have got a digital library that is a scanning center for the rare and old documents. And we are extending number of services like lending, interlibrary loan service, photocopy services for the students' benefit, and referral and reference service, internet-based services. We are also extending e-resources facility for the students' benefit and research scholars' benefit. We have got another important, we have got a strong section called that is thesis and dissertations, where we have got about 11,000 and add. We have got the PhD and MPhil which are submitted to the Usmania University for the award of MPhil and PhD degrees. And we have got a UN publication section, UN deposit section, wherein we have got about 10,000 documents are there. Our Usmania University Library is one of the center which receives on free of cost from the UNESCO and UN the official publications which we are preserving for the benefit of research scholars. And we have got a competitive reference library which helps to the students for their competitive exams purpose. We purchase all the latest publications of general knowledge and other competitive material for the benefit of students. Students makes use of this particular section, and they are utilizing more and more, and they are getting to different kind of selections like group 1, group 2, civil services and other government examinations like banking, railway, etc. We have got a very rich collection in our Usmania University Library. We have got about 5 lakhs and above documents. We have got internet section. Earlier we used to have only 10 systems. Recently, with the support of UPE funds, our Usmania University Vice Chancellor has kind enough to sanction 25 systems. Students and scholars can browse internet resources as well as the e-resources which we are having access to 8,000 e-journals. And of course, we have also digitized the rare collection of Usmania University Library, about 45,000 books, rare books, which are published before 2050. That means which are out of Copyright Act. We have digitized with the help of Carnegie Mellon University. We have automated the entire library by using New GenLib software, and our catalog is there through online. One can search, one can find what is available in the university library. We have got about 5 lakhs and above documents. Students every day, more than 1,000 students are visiting, and as a matter of fact, the students, they don't even find the space for sitting because totally it is occupied. And for the benefit of students, with the help of university administration, we are constructing a new extension building for the benefit of students, which we are planning to inaugurate in the coming 6 months. The building is under construction. So that building we are planning to have for 24 hours.
How you feel about this library?
Really nice.
Okay, this library is really impressive. I really like it. Thank you for having us.
It's really nice. It's beautiful. It seems to have a lot of books, and yeah. So we haven't seen much of it, but it's a really nice building, and if it's possible, I'd also like to come here from time to time to read and write something.
We are from Germany, and we are here for an exchange semester at the EFAU.
Yeah, actually that's a lovely library, and I think there are lots of books. Though I'm a student in Eiffel University, I may try to come and visit this place often. Thanks for having us.
I am Dr. A.S. Chakravarti, Assistant Professor, and also in charge for periodical section in Usmania University Library and electronic journals. We subscribe around 500 journals, almost 110 like foreign journals, and remaining are Indian journals. Publication we will subscribe by the recommendations of the head of the departments. And every year we will get around 10 lakhs of rupees. That is our annual budget. And other than these print journals, we are also getting around 8,000 plus online journals from UGC Internet, from Infitnet. Everything you can access from Usmania University website. Sublink is e-resources, where you can access all the things by using some techniques and some shortcuts and all. And we are also subscribing on indianjournals.com, where we will get 104 Indian journals. You can also access various journals, various subject journals, Indian, in that website. And the third category, we are also subscribing Sage journals online. We are purchasing almost 18 journals in print version. The same we are getting in electronic format, that is online access. All this we can access from Osmania University through IP-based connectivity. Not only in Osmania University, all these places you can access full text journals of all 8,000 plus journals. And users are accessing these journals. This statistical information is increasing year by year. Almost 1,87,000 hits are made in 2012. And in 2013 it is almost 1,20,000. This shows the improvement in accessing our electronic journals. We are also providing some training program for how to get full text articles from these journals. UGC is providing all these journals free of cost. Our plan is to upload each and every digitized thesis on internet, access entire thesis online. This is the project right now it is going on, and previously we have one mega scanning center in our Osmania University Library that is specially established by Digital Library of India under Digital Library of India project.
I am Fazluddin Ahmed, in charge for manuscripts of University Library, Osmania University. The total manuscripts available in this library is 6,825. We have manuscripts in Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian and Urdu. These manuscripts are in paper form as well as in form list. These manuscripts has been digitized by Jamal Majid Center for Culture and Heritage, Dubai. Many research scholars from India and abroad visit this library to use this manuscript for this research.
Hello, we are PhD students from the United States who've come here to use the research library and manuscript section. Everyone here has been very helpful and nice, and we're very happy with the digitization efforts that are going on at this library.
Very welcoming, very familiar with all the various materials in the library, are able to show both what's online and also what's available either in manuscripts or printed form here. Everyone seems very knowledgeable and eager to help.
I am Muttanna, in charge of lending section. Here, the membership will be made through a database and giving an ID number to students and scholars. Through that ID number only, students are borrowing the books.
Hello, this is ordering section in church. Here we are having in our library different grants. Index grant or acquisition section, we are having book grant of rupees 14 lakhs for university library books and for 6,62,000 towards seminar library books. Every year, the procedure of purchasing books here is to be done as soon as conducting the library committee meeting, the meeting approves the budget and its allocation to each and every department. Accordingly, we will send a letter to the department heads asking their recommendations. They will send their recommendations of books. Sometimes they will send books on accrual basis also. Accordingly, we place an order to the suppliers. Then the concerned person will enter the books into accession register. These books which are processed accessioned in the section will be sent to the computer in charge. The concerned person, computer in charge, will take all the necessary entries of the book, title, author, publisher, each and everything, and grants, etc. will enter into the computer, and then that person will send the books to the technical section for further processing. The technical people will process the book by classifying and cataloging them, and they will send the same to different sections. Like the book is related to a different section, then it should be goes to different section. So other books, the books which are sent to the SAT section will be issued to the readers. In addition to that, there will be a separate section for textbooks. The textbooks will be kept for the readers to read within the library. And in addition to that, last year we received an additional amount. Every time we will receive any amount like university grants, UGC grants, additional amount we receive. Last year we received out of 11th plan round, at about 12 lakhs we received. And that amount we spent within a month by sitting day and night in our library.
I thank my staff.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्करप्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाढ्यापहा आशासुरासी भवदङ्गवल्ली भासैव दासीकृतदुग्धसिन्धुम्.
I am Praveen Reddy, student of Usmania. Many candidates are benefited by using this library.